Konnichiwa minasan, Nihongo no gakusei desu. In this very last lesson for this Genki series, we're going to learn the expression how to do. How to do using this kanji, kata. The noun-forming suffix kata follows the verb stem and means the way in which the action is performed or how to do. For example, oyogu, to swim. To say how to swim. Oyogikata, oyogikata, how to swim. Kangaeru, to think. You can say kakikata, which means the way someone or somebody think. Okay? So this is how we do this. Review, the verb stem is the verb form that goes before the mas. So here we have the mas form. Tabemasu, nomimasu, okimasu, hanashimasu, yomimasu, kaimasu. If we remove mas here, this is the verb stem. Okay? This is the verb stem. Okay, so here we have kanji o yomu, to read kanji, kanji o yomu. Now to say how to read kanji, kanji no yomikata. So yomu becomes yomikata, the verb stem yomi and then kata. And then instead of using the direct particle o, we use no, kanji no yomikata. Hashi o tsukau, hashi o tsukau, to use chopsticks. So this is converted to hashi no tsuikata, hashi no tsuikata. How to use chopsticks. Kukou ni iku, kukou ni iku. Go to the airport. So how to go to the airport is kukou ni ikikata. Kukou no ikikata. Kukou no ikikata. How to go to the airport. Ofuro ni hairu. How to take a bath. Becomes ofuro no hairikata. Ofuro no hairikata. How to take a bath. Ofuro no hairikata. Okay, so kukou ni iku. Kukou no ikikata. Kukou no ikikata. We can also use kukou e no ikikata. Kukou e no ikikata. Now for compound verbs with suru, like benkyou suru, Nihongo benkyou suru, to study Japanese. So here we change the direct object particle o into no. Nihongo no benkyou, and then before shikata, which is the verb stem plus kata, we add no again. So benkyou no shikata. Nihongo no benkyou no shikata. How to study Japanese. Okay? Hoteru o yoyaku suru. Hoteru o yoyaku suru. This becomes hoteru no yoyaku no shikata. Hoteru no yoyaku no shikata. How to make hotel reservation. Kuruma o unten suru. So this becomes kuruma no unten no shikata. Kuruma no unten no shikata. Okay? Since verb stem plus kata is a noun, it can be followed by either the particles wa or o. So for example, Nihongo no benkyou no shikata wa iro-iro arimasu. There are many ways to study Japanese. Okay? Nihongo no benkyou no shikata wa iro-iro arimasu. Kono yasai no tabekata wa iro-iro arimasu. There are many ways to eat vegetables. Kono yasai no tabekata wa iro-iro arimasu. There are many ways to eat these vegetables. Sumimasen. Kono kanji no kakikata o oshiete itadakemasen ka? Excuse me, would you tell me how to read this kanji? So, この漢字の書き方を it's a direct object. 教えていただけませんか? Would you tell me or would you teach me how to read this kanji? Okay? Excuse me, but will you tell me how to use this app? So we're going to ask questions using kata. And you want to know how to do these things. すみませんが、このアプリの使い方を教えてくれませんか? Excuse me, but will you tell me how to use this app? このアプリの使い方を教えてくれませんか? Okay? Next, excuse me, but will you tell me how to make a delicious coffee? So, すみませんが、美味しいコーヒーの入れ方を教えてくれませんか? すみませんが、美味しいコーヒーの入れ方を教えてくれませんか? Will you tell me how to make a delicious coffee? Next, excuse me, but will you tell me how to iron clothes? すみませんが、アイロンのかけ方を教えてくれませんか? すみませんが、アイロンのかけ方を教えてくれませんか? Excuse me, but will you tell me how to iron? Next, excuse me, but will you tell me how to ride a bicycle? Or will you teach me how to ride a bicycle? すみませんが、自転車の乗り方を教えてくれませんか? すみませんが、自転車の乗り方を教えてくれませんか? Excuse me, but will you tell me how to ride a bicycle? Next, excuse me, but will you tell me how to drive? すみませんが、運転の仕方を教えてくれませんか? 運転の仕方を教えてくれませんか? Will you tell me? Will you teach me how to drive? Excuse me, but will you teach or tell me how to play guitar? すみませんが、ギターの弾き方を教えてくれませんか? ギターの弾き方を教えてくれませんか? Will you teach me how to play guitar? すみませんが、Excuse me, but will you tell me how to do a survey? 調査の仕方を教えてくれませんか? 調査の仕方を教えてくれませんか? Will you tell me how to do a survey? Excuse me, but will you tell me how to make sushi? 寿司の作り方を教えてくれませんか? 寿司の作り方を教えてくれませんか? Will you teach me how to make sushi? Excuse me, but will you tell me how to make Shinkansen reservation? 新幹線の予約の仕方を教えてくれませんか? Will you tell me how to make Shinkansen reservation? Excuse me, but will you teach me or tell me how to bake a cake? Will you tell me how to bake a cake? すみませんが、ケーキの焼き方を教えてくれませんか? ケーキの焼き方を教えてくれませんか? Will you teach me how to bake a cake? And lastly, we have, excuse me, but will you teach me how to wear a kimono? Or tell me how to wear a kimono? 着物の着方を教えてくれませんか? 着物の着方を教えてくれませんか? Will you teach me how to wear a kimono? Alright, so this is the last and final video for the grammar lesson in Japanese. Thank you for watching all of my videos, and I hope you have learned many things in my video. And I will be posting other videos like kanji videos and other grammar videos, but this is the last for this Genki series. Okay? If you like my videos and my channel, please consider subscribing and leaving a comment in the comment section below. I thank you for watching my videos and see you again and have a good day.